Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at how to send bulk emails in Outlook. So first thing that you have to do is go and create a group by clicking people on the left side of the screen. Click here and then new group, group name and description if you want. Add people as you wish. And click add. Here on our group you're going to see a button that is called send email. Here you can send bulk emails to your members, just like that, or you can use your group's email address. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.